There's a restaurant in there, but we are in a camper van, so we make our own food. It is likely that Gullfoss was given its name because of the golden evening hue, which often colors its glacial water. Look at this.
Going to Niagara Falls. It's making me thirsty.
I can't stop taking photos.
She fought against it being harnessed for power. Dari Gullfoss.
She's known the protector of Gullfoss. Yeah, because if it became a power generating station, it really would be hard to get.
Right?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Look at this thing. Those tires are huge.